Hi all, let's see stack in C sharp. A stack is a collection of items which stores in LIFO style, that is lost in first out style. When you insert an item into the stack, it will be placed at the top, and if you want to remove any item, it will be removed from the top. For example, if you add balls to the vertical box, you can take the one which you placed last. C Sharp supports both generic and non-generic stack collection class. Recommended to use generic stack collection class because in generic stack collections contains elements of specified type only, so it provides compile time checking and doesn't perform boxing and unboxing. Instead, we can add elements by using push method. The pop method used to return the last element and remove it from the stack. The peek method returns the lastly added element from the stack but doesn't remove it. Let's see how to create a stack and access it. Here, created a console application. Let's create a stack using stack class. Stack inside the angle bracket, provide the type. Here, I'm going to insert integer value. So type is int. Created an object for the stack. Object dot by using push method we can insert values into the stack. Push inside the parenthesis provide the value. Like this we can add more values. Let's add two more value. We can use for each to iterate and print the values from stack. Let's iterate. Let's execute and check. When we access values from stack, it will return the value which we inserted last, because stack works in last in first out style, so that we are receiving 3 first, then 2, then 1 here. We can also use pop method to access values from stack, but after accessing it, it will remove from the stack. Let's see why. Stack object dot pop bracket. Before and after, let's print the stack count. Let's execute and check. Before using pop method, the stack count is 3. After using pop method and return the values from stack, the count is 0. So the pop method used to return lost elements from the stack and remove it after accessing it from the stack. We can also use peek method to return lost element from the stack like this. But here, after retrieving it, the peek method doesn't remove it from the stack. This will print value 3 because the lost element is 3. Like this, we can also check whether the value exists in the stack or not using contains method like this. This will print true because the value 2 is exist in the stack. This will print false because 4 is not exist in the stack. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.